Welcome to Luxury Lighting, where we explore the art and science of perfect illumination. Today, we're diving into the role of sconces in interior design, how they can enhance both function and aesthetics in any space. From historical origins to modern applications, we'll cover the best ways to use sconces for ambiance, task lighting, and decorative impact. Sconces have been a part of interior design for centuries, evolving from medieval torches mounted on castle walls to the refined, decorative fixtures we see today. Originally used to hold candles before the advent of electricity, sconces provided essential lighting in homes, palaces, and streets. They remain a staple in lighting design even today, serving both functional and aesthetic purposes. Sconces are an excellent way to add layered lighting to a space. Unlike overhead lighting, which casts a general glow, sconces offer directional light that enhances ambiance, highlights architectural details, and adds depth to a room. They are especially useful in areas where floor or table space is limited, making them a practical choice for hallways, bathrooms, and bedside lighting. One of the most common placements for sconces is in hallways. Mounted at eye level, typically around 5 to 6 feet from the floor, sconces provide soft, diffused light that eliminates harsh shadows and creates a welcoming atmosphere. In long corridors, a series of sconces can evenly distribute light while also serving as a decorative element. In bathrooms, sconces are often placed on either side of a mirror rather than above it. This positioning reduces shadows on the face and provides even illumination, ideal for grooming and makeup application. For the best effect, they should be mounted at about eye level, typically around 65 to 70 inches from the floor. In bedrooms, sconces can serve as stylish alternatives to table lamps. When mounted on the wall above or beside the bed, they free up nightstand space while providing soft reading light. Adjustable swing arm sconces are particularly useful for this purpose, allowing for focused light without disturbing a sleeping partner. Sconces can also be used to highlight artwork, architectural features, or textured walls. Picture lights, a type of sconce, are designed to illuminate artwork without creating glare. Uplight sconces can emphasize high ceilings or textured surfaces, adding dramatic to a space. Whereas outdoor sconces can play a crucial role in both safety and curb appeal. Positioned near entryways, garage doors, or along pathways, they provide necessary illumination while enhancing a home's exterior design. Styles can range from classic lanterns to sleek modern designs, ensuring they complement any architectural style. The materials and styles of sconces vary widely, from ornate brass fixtures reminiscent of traditional candle sconces to minimalist designs with clean lines. Whether adding a vintage touch to a historic home or a contemporary accent to a modern space, sconces offer endless possibilities. By thoughtfully placing and selecting sconces, you can enhance a space's function while also elevating its aesthetic. Whether used for ambiance, task lighting, or as statement pieces, sconces remain an essential tool in interior design. Sconces are more than just wall-mounted lights. They shape the mood, highlight design elements, and add sophistication to any space. Whether you're updating a hallway, bathroom, or outdoor entryway, the right sconces can make all the difference. If you're interested in any of the styles we discussed today, check the description below for links to all the featured items. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert lighting. Thanks for watching.